Hiker Dude Dad. We're at the Climbers Run Nature Conservancy just south of Lancaster. Looks like we'll be able to do about 2-3 miles here, a couple hundred feet of elevation. Just came through the parking lot here. It seems to be very popular with the kids. Was full of them leaving, which is nice. So now we'll kind of go ahead here and do our little hike. GPS is a little wonky here, so I'm hoping I can stay on the trail here with all trails. So far I think I'm on a little road here, but yeah, we'll see what we got. We got a stream. A lot of the kids look like they were swimming. It's a humid morning, but not too hot. We'll see what we got. Some nice looking buildings here. It's like the nature center up there or something like that. So maybe they got like family programs or something. I don't know. I just want to get a little action in here in the woods. So let's see what they've got here. So came up the cardio trail, aptly named. It's a pretty steep climb, and then all of a sudden, just in the middle of the woods, I'm on a basketball court. Guess this used to be something else back in the day. And yeah, maybe the land was donated to the conservancy, but yeah, interesting. Just probably the first time I've stumbled upon a basketball court just right in the middle of the woods. So went off trail for a bit here. I kind of came up on some private property. Some kind of bushwhacking. Is spiderweb city out here. I didn't bring my poles on this hike. Didn't think I'd need it, but they would be really good for not getting spiders in my face. Yeah, I'm definitely off trail here, but this will get me back to the stream. No hunting signs here, and right back there was a tree stand. Interesting. Yeah, so we're kind of walking along a real steep ridge here. And just trying to get back to the stream here. Gonna end up going down a bit here soon. I hope it's actually on the trail. I guess I'm in private property, or maybe it's just on that side. I don't know. We'll figure it out. I'm gonna get back to my map here. Right. So I'm getting it done here somehow. Pretty much going down a straight down here. I don't have poles or anything, but I think I'm gonna wind down here. I can see the water down there. I can hear it. On Climbers Run. I would hope there's a trail down along the stream, since the place is named after the water, but it's real steep here. I didn't bring my poles. Kind of odd that this is the path. There's no blazes, there's no sign whatsoever that this is an official trail, so it's kind of weird that this is what's saved in all trails as the official way to go. Oh, whatever. Need a challenge. And we're getting one. That is, looks to be just about straight down here, so this ought to be fun. Yeah, just coming down this vertical wall. I'm using these trees. Boom, boom. These little trees as holds. They're actually pretty evenly spaced. But yeah, I'd have gone down a couple times, I think. already. If not for them, now I'm getting to a point here where I come across and use this guy. I dipped down under the spider trap. Oh man, it's right there. I just gotta get over there. This is very steep. Okay, nothing to... Literally, this thing just saved me. I'm doing a header. Oh my god. This is... Oh man, it's a challenge. Here we go. Thank you, tree. Where are we going here? Oh, over this. Oh my god, it looks like there's a trail down there. That's awesome. Oh, coming through here. Whoa. Holy crap. This is crazy. And almost hit the trail. It's right here. Made it rain. Holy shit. Alright, beautiful stream. Had to be a better way to get down here to it. Had to be. But I'm still on the path by all trails. You know, I would definitely, if you come here, Webb's, definitely come here, pick up a map or something. Something official that they have maybe. Does look kind of like a trail, but I think All Trails is telling me actually to cross here, so I think I'm gonna have to do that. Try not to get a soaker. Looks like I can go right there maybe. Alright, we'll check the map out. So, crossing Climbers Run here. I'm wondering if right, yeah, I think right there's a trail. So I think I want to cross and get over this way. Yeah, watch, man, everything's wet and slippery here. But this looks kind of like my best way. I've ditched the tripod, the handheld tripod, and so I don't drop it, because that would be my luck. I've already lost the GoPro in a river, so I got it on my shoulder mount. Boy, not terribly easy here. Actually, I think if I come over here, yeah, here's my way. Oh, shit, that was a big step. That was a big step. All right. Yeah, definitely a trail over here, so I think that's what I'm doing. But, you know, on the off chance that we get a blooper here, I'll keep this on until I get across. All right, no soakers. And a normal trail, holy crap. All right, here we go. So right here around the bend for Climbers Run, it kind of opens up here. It's like little cabins. I think they're just empty, screened in places, but yeah, maybe they have camps there. There's a stage here, fire ring. Yeah. Might just be for roughing it kind of camping. This is the, oh, Scout Troop. Okay. Climbers Run Stage, Scout Troop 393. And the stage is in loving memory of Dr. Henry W. Hufnagel. So yeah, I guess a little scout camp here. Right up there is, I think that's across from where I parked. I think there's a trail heading out this way. It wants me to go down the stream a little more here. And you know, I'm not quite done, so I'm gonna go check this out, see what I can find. So after all that mess between the cardio trail and Climbers Run, I'm back on a like very nice, very wide, very blazed blue trail. So something's going wrong. If you're using all trails and you want to do Climbers Run, when you're headed east and south through that kind of loop, it's real sketchy, man. You're going to be doing some actual climbing at Climbers Run. I just don't think that was the an official trail at all. I think I was on private property at some point, but yeah, now we're back on the official trail. The run is right down here. It's gonna bring me down. I think I'm gonna cross it. There's, judging by the trail right now, probably a very nice bridge down here or something, but yeah, whatever. It's an adventure. Nope, no bridge. This will be interesting. Gonna film this because 90% sure we're getting a soaker here. But for my age and lack of gymnastic talent, I am unusually agile when it comes to this stuff. Oh, Jesus, I almost fell backwards. Pat myself on the back. Alright, I think this is gonna be a quick one. Hope I don't flip. Alright, okay. Yep, alright. Made more of a deal about that than it should have been. Alright, let's get out of here.